What's happening, crypto fam? We have another potential passive income protocol. This is grass.io. We're basically selling, you can see I've got a laptop connected at home. We're selling the broadband we pay for that we don't use. So you pay for a speed of broadband, you generally don't pay for an amount. So with unlimited broadband, this is kind of a no-brainer. You connect, and it's an underlying infrastructure that powers AI models. By installing the Grass web extension, the application will automatically sell your unused internet to AI companies who use it to scrape the internet and train their AI models. You're sharing the growth of AI and earning the stake in the network for selling a resource that you didn't realize you even had or was sellable. So again, you just add the extension, connect, and you start earning the points. The points will be redeemable in the future. By participating, you're directly contributing to the growth of artificial intelligence. Networks like these require AI models, and AI labs are some of our biggest customers. Worth noting, they're not scanning your computer to see what you're searching. They're not getting hold of any of your data. They're simply using the broadband you don't use. Netflix will still work for you. Your PC will still work. You can still game. Your personal data is protected. It's a network for exchanging bandwidth and bandwidth only. There is no possible way for buyers to see your data or view your activity. Security and privacy are 100% guaranteed. Read the white papers in further detail if you don't trust that and you want to know more about how it works. You want to know who the partners are and whatnot. View the white papers, but don't sleep on it. You might regret it. Passive income, baby. Let's go. LFG.